Hi everyone, and welcome back to the G.life. So in today's video, I'm basically going to show you guys what I do on a daily basis to keep my house clean. I definitely don't have the cleanest house, but I try to maintain it kind of decent. So the very first thing I do in the morning is usually make my bed or go to the kitchen. And this morning I actually went to the kitchen and started putting all the dishes from the previous night away. I try to do a load of laundry once a day, but since we are going out of town this weekend, I decided to do all of my laundry this day. So you guys will see that I do multiple loads this day just because I don't want to come back to a ton of laundry. Am I the only one that likes to go out of town and keep my house clean? Because I like to come back to a clean house. And then I just go off to my bedroom and start making my bed and try to keep my room looking a little presentable as well. Since it's after breakfast now, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up the kitchen, clean up Michael's high chair, and clean up the countertops. You guys will notice I clean these counters like once an hour. I clean these counters all the time because I swear we spend so much of our time in the kitchen. I think that's like the center of our home. What do you guys think is the center of your home? So heading over to the living room, I'm just picking up Michael's toys that he left on the ground while he's having lunch. And I'm tossing all the toys inside his playpen. I'm not organizing anything. I'm just throwing them in there so that they're not just a mess on the floor. And then I'm just going to go ahead and sweep. I sweep on a daily basis. I sweep the living room and the bathroom every single day just because, you know, things come in every day. And we also have a cat who obviously goes to the bathroom and her litter gets everywhere. So I always try to keep that kind of tamed. So for my dryer, I actually recently started using dryer balls, and guys, I am loving them. I think I've been using them now maybe about a month and a half, maybe even 2 months. I got them from Grove Collaborative and I love them. I really do. I have 3 of them and I use them in my dryer all the time, and I just sprinkle a little bit of essential oil. I usually do lavender, eucalyptus, or lemon scent. And now since Michael's done with lunch, I go back to the kitchen and clean up from after lunchtime. I swear guys, I spent all of my time in the kitchen. And seriously, how do moms get work done with toddlers? I feel like I have it easy because I only have one, but I think like, how do you guys do this? Like seriously, moms that have multiple kids, please let me know your secret because this little boy gets into everything. Let me see. Go. Okay. No touching, please. No touching. So this is Michael's laundry, and he has a ton of laundry because he is actually just growing out of his 18-month clothing and growing into his big boy clothing, and that's a size 2T or 24 months. So I took out all of the clothing that he has in that size, and I washed it and I got it ready for him, and it makes me so sad that he has like all this new clothes that he now fits into because he's getting so big. By the way, I don't know if you guys noticed, there was somebody else in the last clip that was my little sister who came to visit for a little bit, and then my husband had just gotten home too, so you guys saw a little bit of him. And like I said, we are going out of town, so that's why you guys will see luggage in this bedroom, which is Michael's bedroom, and also in our bedroom. So I've been using my vacuum to vacuum our bedroom and then Michael's bedroom. I've been doing this instead of sweeping. It just makes it so much easier and so much faster to do everything. And I feel like the vacuum just picks up all the trash, obviously, and everything on the floor, but it also picks up so much hair, and it kind of saves me a step, which I love. So I'm back in the kitchen cleaning up from after dinner. We actually ordered some pizzas, so I really didn't have tons of dishes to wash. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up the counters yet again, and I'm gonna start washing dishes and getting the kitchen closed for the night. Don't be fooled by all that light outside. It's actually around 6 o'clock already. We normally have an early dinner. Our dinners are usually around 5 o'clock, which I've noticed it's early for a lot of families, but that just seems to work for us. Now to end the night, I go into the living room and I go into Michael's playpen and I just pick up all of his toys, put them in his bin and just kind of keep it organized. And then in the living room itself, I just clean up the couches, put the pillows where they belong, and just make it look a little bit more presentable. That way it's not a total mess the following day. And that's basically it, guys. That's basically what I do on a daily basis. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.